This is a 1988 3-ton Heil Air-Conditioner at one of my friend's houses running on a mild night. Decent heat. The Heil logo fell off. Pretty nice, huh? It's matched up to 2012. A 2012 Heil 90% efficient gas furnace. My friend's pretending he's pissing in the yard. Yeah. Don't piss on me, bro. And there's the suction line, and it's cold, and the liquid line's about outdoor temperature, which is pretty good for a 24-year-old unit. There you go, 1988, 3-ton. There you go. My friend was just being a moron. Matches my grandparents' unit, except theirs is a Kenmore and it's a half-ton bigger. Alright. Set to 76 inside. And that's pretty much it. So I'll get some more video of it later, but for now, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. That's it.